This is one of my favourite salads. It's so delicious and nutritious, you've got to try it. To start off with, get about half a cucumber and cut that in half, and then use a spoon to scrape out the seeds in the middle. Leave that to one side till later, then in a large bowl add 2 tins of drained chickpeas. Grab the cucumber from earlier and chop it into cubes. Once that's done, then you can add your cucumber to your bowl with your chickpeas. Then you want to do the same with 1 pepper. Next, chop 2 large vine tomatoes into cubes and then add that to your bowl with your chickpeas. Add a little bit of heat. We're going to finely chop 1 red chilli and then add that again to the bowl. Now we need to make the salad dressing. So in a smaller bowl, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and then to this add juice of 1 lemon, a generous pinch of salt and pepper, and about half a teaspoon of oregano, and then give that all a really good mix. Add the dressing to the large bowl with the chickpeas, tomatoes, peppers, cucumber and chilies, and give it all a really good mix. Bring this all together, top with a bit of feta cheese, which really helps to transform this salad. And there you have it, a delicious salad in hardly any time. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like and subscribe button for more.